So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's vlog, I have a empty bottle haul. So this is for the month of, I think kasi accumulate na siya. This one is January until February, March. I think March, January to March month. Ayan. So I'll pick randomly na lang, and disclaimer lang guys, some of the brands are not sponsored, so I'm using those brands kasi tinry ko, some of them tinry ko, and then some of them are I'm a regular use of that brand. Medyo makati pa rin lalamunan ko guys, and as you can see, medyo pawisan ako kasi nakapatay yung electric fan kasi there's a lot of noise here around me. So yeah, I think umpisa na natin. So first is, teka maglalaglagan guys. Wala kasi akong tripod kasi mabilisang vlog lang ito, and haul, empty bottle haul. Yan kasi yung pinaka-trademark ng aking vlog, yung empty bottle haul. So I had this EO Flexwear Solutions. Ayan, all-in-one solution. Ano lang ito guys, it's only for only 199. It's 360 ml. So way back, I think parang 20 years ago, ang one piece nito is nasa 1,000 pesos. So medyo may narinig kayo na boiling. You can hear boiling water kasi nag-boil ako ng saging na saba. So usually yan ang aking yan ang aking breakfast. Yan. So I got 3 dahil ako ay nagpo-contact lens. Yan. So tatapon ko na siya, didiretso ko na siya sa basurahan, I think. So moving on, I had the Watson's facial cleansing wipes. Dapat i-review ko siya pero parang wala na rin akong time. Tatapon ko na rin siya. I usually buy this brand kasi nga yung company ko is operated by Watson, so I have the 10% employee discount. Okay na rin kaysa walang discount. And next one is the Watson's ethyl alcohol. Yan. Yung iba tinapon ko na rin kasi masyado ng parang makalat dito sa kwarto ko. And sorry for the noise. Daanan talaga to ng eroplano guys. Malapit ako sa kasi. Malapit tayo sa airport. Not really malapit. Medyo malapit because I'm here in Taguig. And moving on guys, next one is, since pareho naman sila ng brand, pagsabayin na natin. It's from Nivea Micellar Water, and the Nivea Acne Repair Facial or Gently Micro Cleanser. Naka-discount kasi to kaya binili ko. And this one, parang 99. I forgot the price. And then next naman is another one from Nivea. So this one is Nivea Extra White Serum Night Nourish. Ayan, pawisan ako. Hindi ako nag-workout ngayon di ba? Parang nag-workout ako, di ba? Kasi sobrang init dito, but for me, I like the parang gusto ko yung init kasi gusto ko yung pinagpapawisan ako. I'm releasing the toxin. Wait lang guys, I need to throw this one directly to the trash can. So, next one is, parang natira pa to sa sa boots. So, this is, a body from Kuwait pa. Sayang, parang gumagana pa rin naman siya. Hindi pa naman expired. So, yun, ginagamit natin kapag may tayo-tayo yung ating hair. And then, next one is from Rosmars. It's a whitening feminine wash. Hindi ko alam kung pumuti yung ating Timty. Pero, kasi naka-discount ata to kaya binili ko. And then, I tried na rin. Ayan. Yung color niya, kulay yellow. I forgot the scent. Try natin yung scent. Try kong amoyin. It's a floral scent. Then, bilisan na natin kasi ang init, guys. Next one is si Biore, or Biore. I don't know how you pronounce it. Biore. Sabi kasi nila Biore or Biore. Sorry guys, excuse me. Naubo ako kasi I forgot. Natitrigger nga pala yung ubo ko. Kapag kami naamoy akong scent and pag masyadong mainit. So, ayun. Binuksan ko na yung electric fan. Hindi ko na rin kaya yung init. And then, you can hear a lot of noise talaga. Welcome to the Philippines. So, yan. Yun nga. Biore. Moving on uli. Biore Speedy Micellar Cleansing Foam. I like this cleansing facial cleanser kasi it's mild and it helps naman kapag meron akong breakouts. So, i-post ko lang. May aeroplano na naman. So, moving on to the next para matapos na tong vlog na to. It's from Hada Labo. Ang aking one of the favorite facial cleanser. This one is the Super Hyaluronic Acid facial cleanser. So, this one naman is para siyang si Cetaphil, hindi siya bumubula and it helps to lighten yung mga blemishes. And ano siya, it's really whitening. It's not really whitening naman, ano. Yun nga, parang mapapantay niya yung color mo and then yun, kapag may mga peklat ka, yung post-acne, it's a great help. Yun. Mas maganda kung try nyo din yung blue one. So, next one is, it's from the Watsons product. It's Naturals by Watsons. Naka-discount kasi to. I think, nabili ko pa to when I was in Sorsogon. Parang ano yata siya, 88 pesos or 80 pesos. Less 10% pa ako. So, why not coconut? Go, diba? It's a hair mask. And it's certified organic argan from Morocco. Siyempre, ang ano naman, most of the argan is made in Morocco. Yan. It's for very dry, damaged hair. Hindi ko siya nagawa ng review. Baka, ano na lang, after. Kasi, nag-iisa lang siya eh. So, I think I need to buy another variant from Naturals of, by Watsons. O, diba, may tricycle naman, tapos meron na namang, another noise. So, next one is from Zevo. It's a face and body wash. I got 3 of this. Meron akong last one. And then, I think yung last nasa Malolos. Tama ba? Basta, 3 or 4 yata naka-bottle. So, nagawan ko na to ng review. Check nyo na lang dyan sa aking one of my uploads. So, yan. Zevo. And one of my favorite lotion. And gagawin ko rin siya probably ng review. It's a Skin So Soft by Avon. Yan. So, Radiance plus SPF 15 with glutathione. Yung isa naman, yung without glutathione, ginagamit ko yun sa gabi. I mean, without SPF, yun ang ginagamit ko sa gabi for daytime. I'm using this one kasi it has SPF 15. Before, hindi ako naglo-lotion, but sabi ko sa inyo, I'm in the I'm in the, love yourself phase. Kaya, medyo maarte tayo ngayon sa katawan. Yun. I'm investing on myself kasi, diba? Yung self ko lang yung self ko lang hindi iwan sa akin. Kailangan hindi natin iwanan yung sarili natin. Kailangan natin improve yung ating sarili. Mahalin natin sarili natin. And of course, diba, sabi nga nila, paano ka magmamahal kung yung sarili mo is you don't respect or you don't love yourself. So, megway lang ako, guys. And next one is mga scent naman. This is my everyday scent. Yun. Alam ko meron 3 na ako nito. Ni Baby Bench Colonia. Yan. So, I don't know if i-review ko siya or what. Gusto ko lang yung niya, yung napaka-packet nung parang travel size packet to. Napaka-travel size niya. Ayan. And it's 40 pesos or 44. Tapos may discount pa ako. Parang ganun. O 10%. Kasi pag nasa, loob ng Watsons, may 10% kami. And the next one is, hindi ko siya ganong favorite, but mas gusto ko yung yellow. tinry ko lang siya. Avon Heaven Scent Family Cologne. This one, ayokong amuyin kasi nga magti-trigger na may ubo ko. Para siyang cologne parang ganon. Ano ba? Hindi ko ma-explain eh. Pero mas gusto ko yung yellow. And last but not the least, it's from Yves Rocher. Yves Rocher. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's a French skincare. So, yun nga, it's a French skincare brand. And I think I need to close this vlog na kasi nga puno na tong aking memory ng phone. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you on my future vlogs. Bye, guys!